G'day everyone! Thanks for dropping by my channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more yummy treats. Today, we're whipping up a super fun and tasty trifle. It's dead easy and perfect for any get-together. Let's get cracking. Right then, here's what you'll need. A packet of sponge fingers or some pound cake, custard, about 500 milliliters, whipped cream, also about 500 milliliters, a mix of berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, a tiny splash of sherry or fruit juice if you're feeling fancy, optional, some chocolate shavings or sprinkles to make it look extra pretty. First things first, grab your sponge fingers or pound cake and pop them in the bottom of your trifle dish. If you like a bit of a kick, you can sprinkle a little sherry over them. Next up, spread a good dollop of custard over the sponge. Make sure it's all nice and smooth. Now, chuck a handful of your mixed berries on top. Time for the whipped cream. Spoon a big fluffy cloud of whipped cream over the berries. Make it nice and even. Keep doing these layers until your dish is full with a lovely layer of whipped cream on top. Now for the finishing touch. Sprinkle some chocolate shavings or colorful sprinkles over the whipped cream. You can even add a few extra berries to make it look extra special. And there you have it. A super simple, super delicious trifle that'll wow your mates and family. Tuck in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Catch you later.